Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on Hosting. After logging into Hostinger account, first of all, under the website section, go to website lists. Now, after clicking, you will be able to see this page where you can select your hosting account. Like if you have multiple hosting, you can choose on which hosting you want to install the WordPress. So in order to install WordPress, click on Add New Website and click on WordPress. It will take you to the wizard where you can put in your admin email address and password, or you can use a generator option within Hostinger to generate password for you, or you can also use your own password that you want to write. Now, after entering your own password, it's very simple. Just click on next, and then you will be given option to choose your desired theme. There will be a couple of lists available here. You can choose any of them. And after choosing your desired theme, click on next again. Now, Hostinger will recommend you some of the plugins that it offers for your website. You can choose any of them or unselect any of them and then click on next again. Now type in the domain name where you want to install your WordPress. In my case, I'm using jazibkhalil.com. Just type in the domain name and click on next and it will install the WordPress. That's it for today. I hope you like it.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.